Do you have items of value just sitting collecting dust? Well, then clean out and get paid with Empire Coin and Valuables. We buy gold, silver, jewelry, coins, currency, vintage and antique collectibles, and more. Empire Coin and Valuables is an established Arizona-based company that travels the country offering We Buy events to everyday people wanting to sell their valuables at high, competitive market prices. The events are always free, and our process is simple. Bring in all your items to one of our traveling events in your area. Our distinguished appraisers evaluate and estimate your item's value. There's no pressure and never an obligation to sell. We respect your time and trust your decision. If you accept our offer, we pay you on the spot. Empire Coin and Valuables is a Better Business Bureau accredited business and a member of the American Numismatic Association. For more information and our schedule of events, visit our website at empirecoinandvaluables.com. Or if you're in the Phoenix area, stop by our store located at the corner of 99th Avenue and Bell Road in Sun City, Arizona. Empire Coin and Valuables. Ethical, fair, knowledgeable, and experienced.